Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. It is November 2nd at 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time here in the United States. I hope everything is going well for everybody. And we're going to start off here on earthquakes and volcanoes discovery.com. We currently have 29 volcanoes erupting. Not just like, oh, a little bit of minor activity. No, eruption. Lava, ash, debris, all that business. Where is the news? I don't know. Do you know? I know they're not reporting on this stuff. Look at all of this here. You see all this? This is why the people are leaving Central America and heading for our border. I mean, they're getting away from this. I mean, this is a thin area, folks. And that's going to be dropping ash and debris and smoke and all that crap right onto them. I don't know why people are still on La Palma. La Palma's a bad news. La Palma's going to wind up blowing and making a tsunami come this way. At least that's the plan. And it ain't good. It's being manufactured. Look, you got two volcanoes right here. Two of them. One, two. And then right over here you got two. One, two. They're right close to each other. It's kind of hard to get right onto it. But there's another one right behind it. And it's closer than these two. And of course you got one here in where? Oh, Antarctica? Really? Ain't that something? Now, these are just all the volcanoes erupting. No, we haven't even shown the quakes. Let's do the quakes. Boom. Now, this is just in the past 24 hours. Do you notice how most of these are on tectonic plates? All near volcanoes. Some of them, but I mean, they're either on the tectonic plate or they're right on the volcanoes. All of them. This right here, believe it or not, this is a huge shale volcano right up here in China. This is not good. China, Mongolia, it's a shale volcano. We actually have one too, and it's right over here. It's called Wawa Springs. Oh, look at that! Right near New Mexico, right near Wawa Springs. How you doing? Yep, all of these earthquakes. Look at this, right on a plate. Hawaii, everything. All going off over here. Now this is, folks, by the way, this is just within the last 24 hours. This right here, this is all 24 hours. Except for, oh, they're not updating it. They're not showing you the truth. This is the second. Why is the newest one on the first? I mean, hello. Now let's go ahead and go to, we're on M3, so M3 or bigger. And let's go to the past 48 hours for quakes. Let's just check that out. Folks, I've been sitting here for a couple minutes and my internet is pretty quick and it is doing this. And I'm just trying to look at it for the last 48 hours and it's not giving me any data whatsoever. And yet it's not updated. Today's the 2nd. We should be seeing what's going on. Go to 24 hours. Boop. Pops right up. Is something amiss? I think so. Now, what could be causing all of these earthquakes and all of these volcanic eruptions? Well, almost funny, this actually could tie right to Revelations if anybody is very familiar with the Bible, that the earth will go through growing pains like a woman giving birth, stretching. Ouch. What do you think all this is? Why is that? Because of Nibiru coming, because of plasma, solar winds, flares. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here we're at Space Weather Prediction Center, NOAA.gov, and as you can see, we had an M flare yesterday. Okay, and then we got another one right here today that popped off early this morning. Now, if you notice this one, it kind of spiked up and then came back down into the B class, and then we popped up into a smaller C, and then a larger C, another teeny little tick, and then boom. This is a large event. A lot of plasma came out of this because you see how wide it is? This is a large plasma or coronal mass ejection expelling out of it, and then we came right back down into the B again. And I'll be honest, I'm glad to be in a B instead of in solid C. So let's take a scroll down here and see what's going on. Oh, look at that. There we go. Right here. The earth is getting punched by Mike Tyson in his prime, if you can follow that. Right here, this is plasma. Plasma density, centimeters cubed. We're going to be at right around 22, and right here about 23, almost 25 it looks like. Centimeters cubed, 10 centimeters cubed. Yeah, increases your chance of lung cancer. I think it's like by 36%. And that's at 10 centimeters cubed, and we're going to be at 25? Oh boy. Fun times ahead, right? Now let's come down here. I think they're messing with the data. Watch this. You'll watch the south and the north poles, because this is all plasma from the flare, right? And it's still here. Days after the flare is gone and the plasma is supposedly gone, we're still getting it here. Why? Especially on the south. But watch. Oh, wait a minute. What just happened? How did it just all of a sudden disappear? That doesn't make sense. It didn't stop coming and then start coming again, did it? I don't know. How could it do that? Oh, wait, it did it again. Oh, it did it again. I feel like the ShamWow guy, but wait, there's more. I guarantee you're going to see it one more time. Here's Roger. There it is. Oh my gosh. What are they doing to the data? You think that's something? But wait, there's more. Okay, here we go on the home page. This right here is the M class from yesterday, and this is the M class for today. 1.7 looks like the peak. 1.7. Yep, not bad. Pretty stout one. But look over here. This is when we got hit with the plasma from the X flare, and then it comes down to green, all safe, and then it comes back up to yellow, and then green. Now these I believe are 3 hour. Yep, 3 hour data points. It comes down and then right back up here again. And it stays flat. Doesn't go anywhere else. It's flat for 9 hours. Down for 3. Back up for something ain't right here. I'll almost guarantee you these are probably up here, and they're just not telling us. But wait, there's more. Right here we're at Soho, looking at Lasco C3. Now I've slowed it down to 17 so we can watch the pops from yesterday up until today, most recent. Oh, there's one. There's 2, 3, 4. Wow. Do we see that? Oh, looks 5. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. And then maybe even a 5th one there coming out. Uh-oh. Our son is not very happy, I'll tell you that. She's a wee grumpy. She's a wee grumpy. Now, did anybody happen to notice my friend? I got friends. Got friends up in here. See if I can catch it quick enough. Oh, there we go. Let's back it up. Ah, there's my little friend. There's the head of the ship, the wings, and the tail. Look at that. Another one. Hey, friend. How you doing? Oh, look. There's one going that way. Friends. Now let's jump over here to Lasco C2. We'll slow this one down a little bit. Keep an eye on how the sun keeps changing its glare. They change it all the time. Oh, it changed already? They don't want you to see what's happening, folks. Do you see that? It's not a consistent, straight view of it. They keep changing. Oh, did you see the Borg cube down over here? Whoa, what was that? Did you see how it just changed? And then it changed, it did it again. What was that? Stuff's going on here, folks. I'll show you some timestamps missing. We got good timestamps, but the sun just completely changes. So here we go we'll go from 1412, 1424. Wait a minute, what just happened there? 1448. That's in 24 minutes. Oh look, there's a friend. Now let's go one more. Oh, wait a minute. Almost like it changed back to that. What are they doing here? Something seems a little fishy to me, don't you think? Here we go. Here's another friend. Wings, tail coming this way, and his head is going that way. He's going away from the satellite. Hey, friend. Spaceship. Here's some more missing data right here. We'll back it up. Here we go. 2148. 2200. That's good. 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 Okay. And then boom. Wait, what? 2236 to 2312. That's 45 minutes. Where'd that missing data go? What did they not want us to see? Here we go again. From this morning, we got 236, 248, boom, 312. What? Why do we need to miss that? That's a half an hour. I wonder what was missing. I wonder if it could have been a ship maybe shooting a proton torpedo or something at the sun. Who knows? Oh, look, friend. How you doing? Let's find some more stuff. Here's another little Borg cube for us. Here's another one. Here's my little friend there. See him? How you doing, little fella? Now, watch this. We go from 12:48 to 13:25. Another 45 minutes missing. Why do they keep... Oh, look. There's another friend flying away. Why do they keep removing data? What is it they don't want us to see? There's 13:36. 14. That's 24 minutes. Folks, there's missing data all over. Oh, look. There's another friend flying that way. Looks like he's dropping a little tail like that. Fla la 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 la. I don't know. But there's missing data everywhere, peoples. And then, of course, one of my favorites is when they do this. When we get this, we can always take a look slowly, and we can usually see something going on. Like, what is this here? And the top of it is here. Can't see the whole ordeal, but that's on the right side of the sun. What would that be? That's interesting. Not sure. Weird. Very weird. Alright, and I'm going to end it here, folks. Back at interactive map for earthquakes and volcanoediscovery.com. It still has not updated. It won't do the 48 hours. It will not let me do the past 48 hours. It's still ending on November 1st, but all of the earthquakes that you're seeing are a magnitude 3 or higher. Let's see what happens when we tap all, huh? Oh, that's quite a bit, wouldn't you say? But yet, these aren't being reported on, and look at where they're all at, on tectonic plates. Folks, please understand, Nibiru is coming. Nibiru is another planet, or star system, if you will, that comes through every either 3,600 years or 360 years. Don't ask me why it's so spread out, because I've done a lot of documentation and looked at a lot of the evidence of a 3,600 year cycle, and also I've listened to Dr. Burchard, and his evidence shows a 360 year cycle. So it's kind of hard to say, but either way, he puts a really good presentation together that gives us the evidence and puts it right to and he ties it with the Bible very nicely. It's something you should definitely go take a look at. Check out Dr. Burchard and start listening to what he's saying and follow what he's telling you. It goes hand in hand, and he puts it together very nicely. All right, look at this, 5.9 Indian Ocean. That's major. Why isn't that being reported on? I mean, wow. Folks, stay safe. Make sure you got food and water. And told you ways to cook your food and water. Believe it or not, it almost seemed funny that all these masks that were being given out all over isn't almost like to prepare us for what's coming, because when it comes, lots of iron oxide is going to be in the air. You're not going to be able to breathe volcanic ash. You're going to want to wear a mask. Synchronicities. Coincidence? I don't believe in coincidences.